As a new YouTuber getting started, I believe you've probably watched so many videos, like hundreds of videos, sharing with you different opinions on how you can actually grow your channel very fast and simple. Well, the truth is that most of the things you actually watch on there don't work at all. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you 5 of the most popular myths about YouTube growth that actually don't work. So without taking much of your time, hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money through content creation, and most of my videos talk about YouTube and other means in which you can actually make money online. So if you find these videos interesting and you need more of them, then I advise you smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you these top 5 YouTube growth myths that you should avoid if you truly want to grow your channel in 2024. So the YouTube growth myth number 1 that you should avoid at all costs is simply the idea of changing your YouTube channel country to a bigger country will actually help you get more traction faster. So this is one of the greatest lies that I've ever heard about the YouTube industry. So, and I've seen so many different experts talking about this, and this is one thing I really want to advise anyone who is getting started with YouTube and really want to grow his YouTube channel. There is no need at all in changing your YouTube channel location to any other place. The 2 reasons why you shouldn't waste your time on that is that reason number 1 is your channel country doesn't affect who sees your video. Like, I personally live in Ghana. My channel, everything was created in Ghana here, but then I get most of my views from Nigeria, followed by United States, India, and then the United Kingdom. These are the top 4 countries I have. Ghana is not even among the top 6 countries on my channel, but then I live in Ghana. So one thing I always advise to do is that the quality of your content is what will determine who actually sees your content, and then who your content resonates with will actually determine. So when it comes over to YouTube, if you like change your country to the United States and then upload a video from Ghana, YouTube will still know that your video is coming from Ghana, no matter how you try changing it, because the IP address which you're uploading the video from will still tell. And apart from that, YouTube doesn't show content to people in a particular country. No, they show it to people who are searching for that topic over and over again. So if you are even this particular video right now, maybe the first set of people who might even watch the video within the first few months might be people even way far away from where I even live, not even in Ghana, something of such. So if you are getting started with YouTube right now and someone advises that you change your channel country to get more traction, don't waste your time on that. So that is simply it all. So that is the first point on our list on the myth to avoid if you really want to grow on YouTube, is the idea of changing your channel location. It doesn't do anything at all. YouTube growth myth number 2 that you should avoid at all costs is the idea that the more videos you upload, or simply the idea of uploading video every day will help you grow faster. Well, the truth is that it's not by the number of videos you upload, it's by is by the value those videos actually carry. So if you think if you start uploading videos every day will actually help you grow faster on YouTube, then I advise you are wasting your time. Find a better schedule and then focus on that schedule whilst you use your other time to do something else. If you like upload 10 videos every day, it still won't make you grow faster than someone who is uploading maybe 1, 2, 3 times a week. The thing that will differentiate how fast you grow and how fast that person grows is simply the type of topic 2 of you are talking about, and then the quality of the content. Because when you create high quality content, number 1, YouTube will promote it for you, and then your audience who watch the channel and are interested in the video are likely to share it as well, provided that your videos are very helpful to them. So when you are getting started with YouTube, forget the idea that uploading videos every day will help you grow. Like, this doesn't apply to every niche. Yeah, if you're in the entertainment industry where trend is the order of the day, then fine, you can upload videos every day. But if you find yourself in a tutorial niche like the one I find myself, there's no way you can even say you want to upload videos every day. Because why? You need to do a detailed research about whatever topic you want to talk about, and then the time it will even take you to put up this concept together, like time to take you for editing, recording, and everything. You realize that you've even spent almost 24 to 48 hours even coming up with video ideas and things before you start doing your research for uploading. But then when it comes over to entertainment, there's no research at all. Like, for example, if you want to talk about football now, for example, today Newcastle played against Tottenham Hotspur. The game is over. You look for the highlight, you add up various clips, you upload it. Very much simple. If it's a news, you just get a glimpse of the news, maybe few people who were mentioned in the news, and then you do your voiceover on it with your smartphone. Pretty much easy, and you are done with it. Unlike videos like tutorial ones like on my channel, there's no way you say you want to upload videos every day. Even if you can do it every day, I advise you find a more perfect schedule and then follow that. So for me personally, I upload videos maybe 1 to 3 every week. That at times there are some weeks where I don't upload any video. So it all depends on you, but I would advise you that idea of uploading videos every day will help you grow faster is a total lie. I personally done it on this channel before. I upload videos every day, no difference. Even now that I upload videos once per week, I still get a decent amount of engagement, get decent amount of subscribers month in, month out. Yeah, probably next month I'll upload my YouTube analytics at the end of the month. YouTube often send out the analytics data. I'll upload my on this channel for you to actually see that it's not by the number of videos you upload, but it's by the quality of the videos you are actually giving out. YouTube growth myth number 3 you should avoid at all costs is the idea of you should buy subscribers and views, so that when YouTube notice that you have more subscribers and more views, they are going to push your videos to more people. Yes, when you buy subscribers and more views, YouTube often the algorithm often favor videos that get a lot of views within the first few days of uploading. But let me tell you one thing: when you buy all these views and subscribers, first of all, calculate the amount of money you're spending on buying all of these views and subscribers. Can you do it for every single videos you upload? That's the first thing you should ask yourself. Secondly, if you can do it for every single video, remember that you are buying AI views, meaning they are not seeing the ad that YouTube is actually you are buying robotic views. They are not going to see the ad that YouTube is going to put on your video so you finally monetize, meaning that all the money you spend on buying views and subscribers just to get monetized very fast or grow your channel very faster, you are likely not to even make them back in time. Reason is that when you buy those robotic views, they will give you a lot, huge number of views, fine, but then those views will still be dropping over time. And I believe if you've bought subscribers or views before, you notice this thing. After some few weeks, you realize that the views, the subscribers, everything will start dropping again. And one thing is that once you start your channel by buying subscribers and views just to get those numbers very fast, the period you stop buying those numbers and views, when your channel comes back to reality, you will know the difference between building it patiently and then rushing the process. Because when you build it patiently, your audience, the graph goes up gradually. But then when the graph suddenly shoots upwards and they come down again, trust me, you are likely not to get out from that down again. The only way out might be you deleting everything off that channel, starting afresh, or probably buying an already existing channel. That is the only way you might find yourself coming out of that sort of problem. So one thing I advise is that forget about all those people telling that buy views, buy subscribers to blow up your channel very faster. You can build a channel within 6 months and get it monetized. Like my new channel, which is Perez Trades. It's a channel where I talk about crypto, forex, and stock trading. On that particular channel, like I upload videos 2 to 3 every week. Yeah, I'm more active on that channel more than this one. The reason is that is where I'm a full-time trader. I do a lot of trading, so recording my trade or giving information about my trade makes things way more easier. So I upload more videos over there than here actually. But then even though I upload more there, both channels are still growing really fine, and that channel took me just 6 months to get it monetized, and this is the 8th month that we are, and my channel is already monetized for 2 months now, and it's just a work of 6 months. So assuming you take your time, you patiently work on your channel for 6 months and then you get it monetized, the growth will be on a consistent basis rather than buying some fake robotic subscribers and views just to blow up your channel. And then when you upload videos, the days that you don't buy views, you don't get video. The days that you don't buy views, you don't get views on your videos. Sound awkward, right? So I advise you avoid the idea of buying views and subscribers and build your channel patiently. And the process of building your channel patiently, you get to learn a lot of important things that will actually help you even grow way faster in the industry. So that's simply the third one on our list. So now let's move over to the 4th and 5th point. And if you watch this video to this extent, kindly give me a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well, because the more likes and the more thumbs ups and probably the more comments this video gets, the more YouTube is actually going to share this channel with other people. So the point number 4 is simply using clickbait thumbnails. And I know you've probably heard of this a lot of time from different YouTubers telling you that you should use clickbait thumbnails because the more views your video gets, the more YouTube is actually going to push it. And for you to get a lot of views, you need to use clickbait thumbnails. Now here's my own advice for you. Assuming you come on YouTube, you search for a topic, and then you saw a flashy thumbnail that you think will actually deliver what you are searching for, and you click on the video just to realize that the video itself doesn't give what the thumbnail is promising. How will you feel? You feel bad, right? Yeah, that is the first thing. Ask yourself, this thing you are doing, okay, let's say the clickbait thumbnails might help you get a lot of clicks very faster because it's probably flashy, eye-catching, and then it carries totally different information from the topic. So one thing I advise is that instead of wasting your time learning this clickbait strategy to get a clickbait thumbnails and the rest, I advise to create click-worthy thumbnails. What I mean by click-worthy thumbnails is that it's letting your thumbnail and the video title come together in agreement to let someone know that, okay, this is a video I'm going to watch, this is what I'm getting out of the video. And when the person watches that video and then gets that particular thing that the thumbnail and the title promise, the person will be much more satisfied to like that video, share that video with someone, rather than gives you a rejection thumbs. So that's simply it about the point number 4. Simply remove that idea of you want to use clickbait thumbnails to grow your channel very faster. Instead, focus on creating click-worthy thumbnails and titles that will give you a lot of value and help you grow in the industry. Like, for example, take a look at my YouTube thumbnails. They are very simple and straightforward. I let you know what the video is about, like just let you know what the video is about, what you get from the video, what you are going to learn from it, and nothing else and nothing more. I'm not promising anything flashy or something, so that you know that, okay, I'm coming to watch this video on this channel right now, and the video thumbnail says YouTube growth lies. Simple. YouTube growth lies. Probably he's trying to review some big lies that people have been lying to us on how we can grow our channel. Very simple. And when you watch the video, what did I do? That is exactly what I'm doing in the video itself. YouTube growth myth number 5 that you should avoid at all costs is the idea of wasting your time to use keywords in your video file name. Like, I've seen a lot of people, when I started off at first, they'll be like, after you are done editing your video, you should consider using the video keyword in the video name itself, like the file name itself. Do you think YouTube rank videos based on the name they see on their database? Not at all. YouTube will actually rank your videos based on the things you say in the video, the title itself, and then the other values surrounding the video, which is your probably your tags, your description. They look into your tags, your description, and other key information that is required before you upload your YouTube videos. Those are the things YouTube actually look at for to rank your videos. YouTube don't look at any other thing. The name you use on your files before uploading is don't really matter to YouTube, because they don't even care about that one. That name might even get overwritten when you upload it and it gets to their database. Something else might even override that whole video. So when it comes over to the idea of using keywords in your video file name, I advise you just forget it. Just name your video whatever thing you want to name it. When you upload it, you change the title and everything. That's what I personally do. I don't have time. Like, for example, I don't have time, then I'll go and save this video to YouTube growth lies that you should avoid at all costs. Why should I waste my time typing all of that while exporting my video? For me personally, I can just use any random alphabet. I can even use number to save the video. Once I upload it, I rename the file name and all of that, and I'm good to go. That already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what if you done in the comment section. So if you are a new YouTuber who wants to learn about YouTube, you want to grow on YouTube, and you are really serious about the YouTube industry, and you need someone to help you through, you can contact me on Instagram at godday1. So other contact information will be down in this video description. You can check them out. And then that's simply all about this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.